Only high-end dining chairs. Use microfiber or real leather. Microfiber leather. Smooth feel and skin-friendly. Scratch-resistant and easy to clean. Thick in fabric, not easy to deform. Waterproof and anti-fouling. Scratch-resistant. Wear resistance. The gold lion head, a symbol of strength and power in the nature. Adds an air of opulence and grandeur to dining chair. 105 degrees high backrest. Provide better support to spine. Rice-ear stitching pattern brings vitality and elegance to life. Thickened high elasticity sponge. Not easy to sink down or deform. Enhance your dining experience. Contrasting color design fits for your personal taste. Dining chairs in color combinations for elegance. Adds a sophisticated vibes in the dining area. Wisfor. The best aesthetic consultant for your home.